What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. If you're new here, I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me. And today we are going to do the second part of my eyebrow series. So get ready to learn how to make your eyebrows pop. If you're noticing that you can actually see my eyebrows and eyelashes today, even though I don't have makeup on yet, you would be correct, because I did last week get my eyebrows tinted and then I got my lashes tinted and lifted, which is essentially just a lash perm, but man, it's been nice. It's like I wake up and actually have eyelashes and eyebrows. You know, hashtag I woke up like this. Let's get started talking about how to make your eyebrows pop. So it actually starts before you do like any of your other makeup. I guess you would do your eyeshadow first, and I put like a tiny bit of eyeshadow on today, but not a lot. So it's gonna start with your concealer, or if you don't wear concealer, with your foundation. Step number one, if you're like me, you're gonna go ahead and put on some primer. I love this stuff. It's Tarte Double Beauty. It's a couple pumps. Just makes your makeup go on so much smoother, and I think it helps it to stay better. All right, so I've got this Benefit multi-pack situation. So I always do the darker one, the more orange one up under my eyes to help get rid of that blue, which really has nothing to do with my eyebrows, but since we're here, figured we'd talk about it anyway. Okay, so I am going to use my Bye Bye Under Eye for the brow portion. And if you haven't used this stuff, it's really awesome. It comes out very thick. So what you'll want to do is put just like a smidge, can y'all see that, on your finger, and then just like rub it in, and that like warms it up so it's actually like spreadable. And then I have this little brush that I like to use for around my eyebrows. So put a little bit on it and then kind of like start in the middle and wisp up. And then you're gonna outline your eyebrows. So scooch over, and again, you know, like last time, I'm doing this in the viewfinder, so a little bit more difficult than doing it with a mirror. Don't judge me too much. Over and down. And just sort of connect through here. And I'm gonna go up under and wisp out. Y'all check out this behemoth on my nose. Like, what is that even? Okay, so that's kind of messy, but you can just get a finger, or if you like to use a sponge or whatever, you can do that, and gently just kind of like blend it. And then carry on with the rest of your makeup routine, and I'm going to do that, and then we'll talk more in just a minute. Okay, so now that I have the rest of my makeup pretty much done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And I know last time I used the Ka-Brow, and so this time I figured I would use the Precisely My Brow. The technique is the same. If you want the slowed down version, scoot on over after this video to that video, and I will put a link in the description. Okay, so once you get your eyebrows on and are happy with their shape, then the last step, which is really basically step number 2 to make your brows pop more than just, you know, filling them in, is going to be to highlight them. And you can use the same brush you use to outline your eyebrows with your either concealer or your foundation. Or, since we've been using so much Benefit stuff, they have a product called EYEBROW, and it is a pencil. And you just kind of like highlight it with that. All right, again, viewfinder life. So I like to just go like in the middle arch and like swoopy doop out. And then I do typically go ahead and get my brush and kind of like blend it so it's not such a super hard line. Ta-da! Like, let's bring it in. See, she already popping more than that one. And maybe you should not have outlined both brows in the beginning, but you know, here we are. Happy brow. Still sort of happy, but not as happy brow. Again, we'll go ahead and do this side. So arch, down, blend it out. Ta-da! And now I have 2 super happy eyebrows. What more could a girl want? All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to make your brows pop. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that for me. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.